Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some Glam crystal home decor items. So what you're going to need some of these Teardrop pendants, and they're from EFavormart. You'll also need some of this Floral diamond wrap from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of this Bling Wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a set of these star candle holders, tea light holders, and if you can't find the star shape, you can really use any shape you like. Also, you're going to need a round set of these tea light holders. Again, if you can't find the round ones, any shape of these tea light holders will do. You're also going to need a bud vase or a mini vase from Dollar Tree, and it can really also be any shape you like. So I'm just using this kind of fluted shape here because I think it'll work out best for the project, but if you have something else in mind, you can certainly use that. Now, I'm going to be using hot glue on this project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make the project permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. And by the way, if I happen to use any additional items, I will have that information linked in the description box below for you as well. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam crystal home decor set turn out absolutely beautifully? It was so easy to make. It's super versatile. You could use this as a candle holder trio. You could certainly use this as a vase and matching candle holder set, which is what I intended. And I did decide to go ahead and keep the base on the vase, the pedestal part of it. I decided to keep it clear so that it kind of coordinated with the teardrop pendants at the top of the vase. But you could certainly add some bling to the bottom of that if you like, or some more bling to any of the Tealight holders as well. But they were super simple to make, so let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys, another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.